हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एसई एट इन्फोसिस। एसई इज बेसिकली अ सिस्टम्स इंजीनियर प्रोफाइल एट इन्फोसिस, जिसका पैकेज है अप्रॉक्स 3.5 LPA। और ये जो इंटरव्यू है मैकेनिकल ब्रांच 2022 का। तो बिफोर मूविंग टू द इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस, आई वुड लाइक टू say please subscribe to this channel. It will help this video to reach more students and it will help to grow our channel. The interview duration of this interview is approximately 40 minutes, and the most important question they ask is about why you choose IT sector. This question is basically asked to those students who are from non-CS IT background, and the questions based on projects. They ask basically a lot of questions based on the resume and the projects you written in your resume. Then whatever your branch is, they will ask some questions on object oriented programming and also on DBMS. So let's talk about the questions they ask in the interview. The first question they ask about is what is object oriented programming. क्या ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग होता क्या है, उसके 4 पिलर जैसे बेसिकली इनहेरिटेंस, एब्स्ट्रैक्शन, पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म एंड इनकैप्सुलेशन. Then they are gonna ask about a normalization which is a part of DBMS. So whether you are from a mechanical branch or whether you are from EC branch or whether you are from CSIT branch, they are gonna ask questions on OOPS and DBMS section. Then they ask questions on ER diagram, what is entity relationship diagram, then what is software development life cycle, SDLC about. Then he moving towards ask about a job experience. This candidate has some job experience previously, that's why they are gonna ask job experience. If you don't have any job experience, they're gonna not ask you these questions. After this, this student has taken a Python training. He written in the resume that he has taken Python training. That's why they ask how many days you had taken training in Python. Then the most important question they ask for a mechanical background or EC background is why you choosing IT sector after the mechanical degree. Then the next question they ask is if you selected for this role for SE, then are you willing to learn DBMS and some other new technologies. So I will suggest you to give the past experience about your learning, your enthusiasm to learn new things. Then he asked some questions, behavioral questions like where do you see yourself after the 5 years. Then are you okay with the rotational shifts, although there are a lot of shifts in Infosys, so they are going to ask you about the rotational shifts, and you should be okay with this, all these questions, all the managerial questions. Basically they are asking about the job location. Are you comfortable with any location or reallocation problem. Then he end up with any questions for me. So I will suggest you to ask any question for he. Ask about the questions like if I get selected in your company, then I am able to work on this technology, or what kind of things I will learn, what kind of work culture do you have. You should ask these questions to him. So there is only one person in that interview for asking, and the interview duration is about 40 minutes as I told you earlier. Let's moving towards the tips for the interview. Make sure that you have a strong knowledge on the things which you showed in your resume. As I told you, जो भी आपने रेज्यूमे लिखा है उस पे आप ज़्यादा फोकस कीजिए. जो भी आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स लिखे हुए 1 2 3 जितने भी आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हुए उस पे आपका ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फोकस होना चाहिए. एज दिस स्टूडेंट्स हैज़ मेंशन्ड द प्रोजेक्ट्स इन हिज इन द रेज्यूमे, उसके ऊपर उन्होंने क्वेश्चंस पूछे. ऑल्सो दिस स्टूडेंट्स ने पाइथन में ट्रेनिंग ली थी, तो उसके ऊपर उन्होंने पूछा कि आपने कितनी डेज की ट्रेनिंग ली थी. तो डोंट लाई ऑन द रेज्यूमे, फोकस ऑन योर रेज्यूमे स्किल्स. रेज्यूमे and the good communication skills are the most important part here. Although they are not expecting a lot more deep knowledge from other background students. So you should be good at communication skills. That's the main thing they are looking into you. Is like, why you choosing IT sector for MEC students, and are not only the MEC student, for the ECs, EC boys, for civil boys. Why you choose an IT sector? Make sure that you have a good answer on that will stand out in the public to you. Yeah, this is all about this interview. These are some tips from this interview. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you subscribe this channel, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. I will meet you in the next video. Till have a great day. Bye bye.